Four people are presumed dead after a market truck turned over in Manchester along the Penhill Main Road. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Four persons reportedly died after sustaining injuries when a market truck overturned along the Penhill Main Road in Manchester in the wee hours of Wednesday morning. The identities of the deceased have not yet been ascertained. Preliminary reports are that sometime after 2 a.m., the four individuals were among persons traveling in a market truck heading to Kingston when the unit crashed and overturned. It is also reported that another person was seriously injured after jumping from the unit.
So the who in front dead?
Everybody dead.
What did in front?
And the woman from the back.
And the man from the back?
The man with jump off the contact the silent. Him survived.
Him survived?
And he was a first aid.
Whole heap of money what the investment cut away of it. People losing a whole heap away, lose life, lose investment. Whole heap of money what the investment cut away of it. People losing a whole heap away, lose life, lose investment.
The police and fire personnel were alerted and rushed to the scene. All individuals were taken to hospital where four were pronounced dead. More information will be provided in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.